Bonjour tout le monde, Francis Dravini here. I'm a textile designer and I use quite all the raw material I can find in the Philippines. And today I want to open my creative book only for you. No computer, you will see. What is my dreams? I should say I have two. One is to take care a boat, the first boat, to go to Bohol because I miss a lot Bohol. And the second one, of course, is to take the first airplane for France. As a French guy, I'm sure you can guess what was my panic buy. Of course, it was wine, and wine. The quarantine remind me my grandfather when I was young. I was complaining a lot because I cannot play outdoor, and she's always replying, "Stop to complain about your cousins." What I'm missing a lot in this country, especially here in Philippines, is the sea. Of course, the blue sea, the blue sky. So it's why my range color is so blue. Have fun, take care, and be always creative.
Bye, bye.